Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're unboxing the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max in cosmic orange 256GB. To be honest, I've been waiting for this, so let's see what it looks like, what it feels like right out of the box. And before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe. I've got a follow-up video coming up where I'll be exploring the coolest features and see if upgrading from an older iPhone or even Android is worth it. Apple's packaging is always classic, minimal and premium, no surprises here. So let's open it. This cosmic orange really pops. The iPhone 17 comes in 3 different colors. You have the blue, you have the silver, and then you have this much talked about cosmic orange. And what's extra cool is this two-tone finish with slightly different shade on the back and then on the frame, which gives the phone sort of a premium and unique look that catches light differently from every angle. It's bold but not flashy, and definitely one of the most striking iPhone colors yet. In hand, it feels premium but comfortable. Apple switched to an all-aluminum body, which makes the phone lighter and also better at dissipating heat compared to the previous iPhone 16 Pro Max. The edges are slightly curved, so it sits naturally in your hand. On the side, you have an action button which you can set for shortcuts like cameras or voice memos. And then at the bottom, you have this USB-C port which makes charging and accessories easier. The camera system is very impressive. You have bigger lenses and up to 40 times zoom. That's crazy detail from a phone camera, and I'll show that in my follow-up video. If you're enjoying this first look, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the deep dive. Underneath the phone, you've got the usual USB-C cable, and then you've got some documentation. One interesting thing is for iPhones shipped to the US or to Canada, these are probably all eSIM, so there's no SIM removal pin included. In the UK and some other regions, you still get a SIM-enabled iPhone with a pin in the box. Looking closer, the aluminum body helps with cooling, letting the phone undo every task better than the previous iPhone 16 Pro Max. Inside, you have the A19 Pro chip, which delivers faster performance and improved efficiency. Apple also improved the battery, so you can expect longer on-screen time and also better endurance compared to the previous iPhone 16. Everything should feel snappier and battery life should hold up nicely during daily use. Of course, there are some trade-offs. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is a little bigger and also heavier, so it might feel less pocket-friendly. Some may miss the titanium feel of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which has a slightly more premium heft. The camera plateau is more pronounced, so you want a case to keep it stable. That said, the iPhone 16 still has excellent camera for everyday use, familiar feel and slightly lighter build for long-term comfort. The new iPhone supports MagSafe accessories. You have Face ID, which is quick, and then the display is gorgeous. Now at 3000 nits, which is 1000 nits brighter than the iPhone 16, making it much easier to read outdoors. The aluminum frame also feels easier to grip, better than titanium on the iPhone 16. So that's the first look of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, available in blue, silver, and the popular cosmic orange, with a two-tone design, premium feel, faster cooling, USB-C, action button, 40 times camera zoom, longer battery, and thoughtful update like eSIM in some regions, and brighter 3000 nit display. I'll be doing a follow-up video to explore the coolest features and see what's different from iPhone 16 Pro Max and find out whether upgrading is worth it, even from Android. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.